Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talking about Valentine's Day door decor. Whether you are single or in a relationship, it's always fun to add a little extra love to your home. And what better way to do that by decorating your front door? So grab your glue gun and let's start it. The first step in decorating your door for Valentine's Day door is to choose a color scheme. You can go with a traditional red and pink or mix it up with colors like purple or even black and white. I decided to go with a pink and white theme for my door, so I started by painting the door a plain pink color. Once the paint is dry, it's time to start adding some decorations. One of the easiest and most popular ways to decorate a door for Valentine's Day is by using wreaths. You can either buy a pre-made wreath or make your own. I decided to make my own wreath using a wide wreath frame and some pink and white ribbon. Add a few fox flowers. When making your wreath, you can use any type of flowers you like, but I choose to use some pink peonies and white roses for a classic Valentine's Day look. I also added a few sprigs of greenery for a pop of color. And there you have it, a beautiful and simple Valentine's Day wreath that you can hang on your door. But we are not done yet. Let's take a look at some other ways to decorate your door for Valentine's Day. Another easy and fun way to decorate your door is by using balloons. You can choose any shape or color, but I went with a large heart-shaped balloon in pink and white. It's such a simple yet effective way to add some love to your door. Another opinion is to hang a wooden sign above your door. You can find pre-made sign or make your own. I decided to go with a simple Be Mine sign in pink and white. It's a great way to make a statement and add a personal touch to your home. Once the paint is dry, it's time to start adding some decoration. One of the easiest and most popular ways to decorate a door for Valentine's Day is by using wreath. You can use either buy a pre-made wreath or make your own. I decided to make my own wreath using a wire wreath frame, soap, pink and white ribbon, and a few fox colors. Materials using to make the wreath including a wide wreath frame, pink and white ribbon, and fox flowers. Then start to show the process on how to make the wreath.